Before installing the Axxon One video management software, please check out the 5 license types and the requirements for running the software package. The types of licenses are covered in more detail in the online documentation. Open the following section. Support. Documentation. Axxon One. Axxon One license types. There are 5 types of Axxon One licenses: Demo, Free, Professional, Enterprise, and Unified. Please note that in demo mode, the system will only operate from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can find all needed information and documentation on the website, as well as in the documentation that goes with the installed Axxon One package. Now we'll examine the VMS requirements. Axxon One VMS limitations imposed on the system in order to ensure its operability. Operating system requirements. Disk storage subsystem requirements. TCP/IP network bandwidth requirements. BIOS configuration requirements. Running Axxon One on virtual machines. It was initial information about the types of licenses and the requirements for running the Axxon One package.